Rohit, you have just designed the uh, cloth for one song sequence or for the whole film as such? I mean,
Yeah, I have designed a film also.
okay.
Most of the Indian clothes what she's wearing mine. I've done some few cocktail dresses also. The stylist is Hitesh because all the bikinis and all is his implemented. But all these lehengas and anarkali or jo faces wala hai unka, all are my clothes she's wearing, and I think she's looking very gorgeous in a different avatar in the movie, and she's really experiment a lot, and it's overall the look of the movie is looking very good.
You know, the film एक पहले हमेशा classy means Indian kind of a very scenario, but as far as Sunny Leone is concerned, she's very Western type. So how did you match as Indian and Western kind of
I think
fashion?
she is a contemporary, a very mixed beauty. You know, you cannot
Okay.
really say that she's got a very Western kind of a thing because she comes from abroad and like you know from America, Canadian, but she has got Indian genes to it. So obviously, like her face is very Indian and she looks very gorgeous. So I think whatever you give, whatever the look we have tried, it has really worked on her, and she is looking very gorgeous. Outcome of movie is very good. The overall avatar, the different looks which she's carried as Indian avatar or Western, I think she's blending both in the movie.
As you know, mentioned that you know Sunny Leone from very beginning as such. So how is she as a person, as a creative person? Does she interfere in the decision of yours, or
Not at
does
all.
she
She is a very easygoing. She really trusts a designer a lot. In fact, Lehenga was weighing nearly 8 to 9 kgs. What she won, a pura dance she has done on Sanya Superstar wearing my lehenga, and also like a few anarkalis what she's wearing of my in the movie or saris. You know, she was very comfortable because she was knowing what Rohit is giving her and what is best for her. She never says no for it. Only the thing is, she's not very experimental in terms of fashion like how Sonam Kapoor is, you know. But she has got her own fashion statement. She likes soft colors, pastel shades, very lacy and very girly kind of a clothes she likes. So yes, so but she's very not very interfering. But when you meet her, I think a god is existing on this earth meeting her. But she's such a down to earth and a nice human being that she never refuses anything for anyone.
and what kind of compliment you are getting from your friends, relatives, or someone very close to
And the
you?
movie of this movie has come out very well, and I think so. It's looking very good. The outcome of the movie is very good. I'm very happy for Saira and Ahmed to approach me to do this movie, and Hitesh has done very good job in styling. The makeup and hair team is fabulous, and I think so. Overall, she's looking very young and very new avatar of Zinat Aman of Satyam Shamsundaram, and I think she's looking gorgeous.
My last question to you: besides designing clothes for Sunny, what's your future plan as such?
Just
Any
coming up with
show?
my fashion show
Okay.
and by next month, and you'll be getting an invitation for
And
it.
any new collection launch?
Of course, I'm launching my red carpet clothing now,
Okay.
so let's hope that you all will like that.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.